Welcome to my chamber, Shaili Basak and Adrit Pushkar. Shaili Basak is from grade 3 and Adrit is from grade 2. Yes?
Yes.
So I'm very excited today, very happy to have you here because you're my special guests today. Reason that you are very young students of my school here. So we are going to see now that it is not necessary to be really tall and big to be able to achieve things which are big or to dream big. Do you agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you do agree with me that it is not necessary. You can be very small and still achieve big in life.
Yes, ma'am. If we try our best, we could achieve everything. That's what my parents say to me if I don't and achieve my dreams
Okay,
or
so
something.
your dreams are still going on. So you're so small now, so you will definitely achieve everything in
My
life.
dream is to be an actress, so I practice it daily, sing and dance and act.
Okay, your dream is to be an actress. That's
Yes,
really
ma'am.
great. We will talk about it more. I'll ask you about your dream of becoming an actress, and I'm really very happy to know that. So now, Shaili, the first question would be this fit for you is that when you are at home and you have got some tricky math sum or something which is difficult homework is there, who helps you out at home when you are studying?
My family helps me, or if my family is busy, I do a group call with my friends so we could discuss the questions.
Really? So your family helps you out, your parents are there. So it's a great
Yes,
thing.
ma'am.
Yeah.
My mother helps me a lot.
Hmm.
She teaches the problem like a teacher. I think her teaching skills should be like a teacher.
She is like almost like a teacher. Very
Yeah,
good.
but she's doing another job. She's not a teacher.
Okay, what does your mother do?
She's a private sector.
Okay, fine. So she teaches very well. She has got great skills, and that's so great that you have got a wonderful mother who is like a teacher for you at home. And you said that besides that, if you are, you also have group calls with your friends to discuss any
Yes,
topic.
ma'am, but not daily because in
Okay.
exams sometimes we skip it
Hmm.
or in school we discuss it
Oh, that's great. Now,
because
Adrit,
everyone will study.
yeah, of course. So
So,
when
how
it's
will
an,
they
yeah.
catch the call?
Yes, of course. So if they are studying and exam time, too many calls you cannot do because even they are studying at home. That's really thoughtful of you, Shaili. And Adrit, what
Yes,
about
ma'am.
you, Bache? When you are studying at home, who helps you out?
My mother helps me out very much
Hmm.
when I'm studying at home, but I
Okay.
do my homework myself.
Okay, so you don't even need help.
Yes.
That's really good to know. Which means in the school, the teacher is able to explain things so well, and you have totally understood the things that you are able to do it on your own. All the
Yes.
home assignments, fine. So mostly you hardly need help. That's what you're saying.
Yes.
Oh, and also when I'm not understanding, I use my book to understand.
Okay, so basically it's all your own effort that you put in.
Yes, ma'am doesn't gives us a homework which is not from our book, not from the chapter. She
Okay.
gives only from our chapter, from our syllabus and everything.
Okay.
So we could check out the answers if we don't know.
Fine, fine. That's really great. So basically, all the concepts that you learn in school, they are reinforced or strengthened at
Yes.
home. That's great to know. Now, my next question is for Adrit. Adrit, suppose there is what would be one really fun activity or something different rule if you have to change in the school? What would that be? Can you
If I
share?
could change any rule or activity, it would be books should be taught with practical activities so that children learn quickly and remember it for lifetime.
Okay. So don't that doesn't that happen in school? I think already most of the things we have number of activities.
Yeah, we have, but I think that small classes don't have like that. Only, I think 10, 11, 12
Basically, you want
classes.
more practicals, you would
Yes,
say.
yes.
Okay, so perhaps we can. Otherwise, also the activities that you do in class for which through which you learn your concepts, these are also all practical things only. Okay, so if
Yes.
specifically going to the labs, etc., is just another part of it.
Yes.
Otherwise, the activities which you do in class is the same thing. It's all hands on. Okay. So yes, so you would like to basically you want to say that you want that mostly all the teaching should happen in that manner. That's what you're saying, because it makes it more fun.
Yeah, it's make
Yes,
it
ma'am.
a lot of fun.
Okay.
It makes it a fun game which students will learn quick.
Yeah.
If I also don't understand, my parents teaches me very fun way which makes me understand. And plus, if the teacher gives the homework,
Okay.
first my parents is you read the chapter, then if you have doubt you will have to find it again and again. It's
Okay.
best if you read it first, then write the answers.
That's great. So you read the chapter. You also do some research on your own.
Yeah, sometimes I do it with Googles or anything like AI.
So if you want to find out some extra questions answered for you, you take the help of the AI tools, other tools as well.
AI and parents and friends.
Oh, that's great to know, Shaili. Suppose, what about? Suppose I'll give you the list of 4 magic words. 4 magic words are, dancing, singing, drawing, and sports. So, if which one would be your favorite word out of these 4? Which one wins hands down for you?
My favorite is to dance, sing,
Dance.
and play sports.
Both of them. Okay. So you mentioned in the beginning that your dream is to become an actress.
Yes, ma'am. And for playing sports, I love to play football and basketball. In basketball, when I play that game, it makes my height taller.
Oh, so you would like to play basketballs? You feel that it will make you grow taller?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, besides playing, that's really great. Shally, you have a very good concept that if you are physically active, it helps you to grow taller and stronger. What about you, Adrit? Do you like to play any games and sports?
Yes, ma'am. I like to play sports very much. It
Yeah.
is my favorite, and I
Okay.
like to play Kho.
Kho is your favorite.
Yes.
So do you
Yeah.
get a chance to play Kho with your friends?
Yeah, I only know the Kho rules. Nobody knows else. Everyone plays. I don't know how.
So you are the one who teaches everybody how to play with all the
Yes.
rules. That's great. Since you're interested in Kho, you're also knowing all the rules, so you want to do
Yes.
everything in the perfect manner. That's great. Any other game that you like to play or sports besides Kho?
No, ma'am. I don't actually have anything else
Fine.
besides.
So do you like to read storybooks or stories, something like that? Do you have any interest in that?
Yes, I like reading storybooks. They take me to the world of imaginations.
Great. So I know that
Yes,
is fit
ma'am.
for to answer.
But I have one special ability, which is I never see my dreams. I think my dreams and then I see my dreams.
Okay, so you think your dreams and then you see them.
Yeah.
That's a very abstract concept, and coming out from a girl of your age, it's
From
great.
childhood, I have this ability to do.
Yes. So you first see your dreams and then you think, or you think your dreams and then see them.
I think it, then I see it.
Oh, great. And then you will achieve them as well.
But when I don't think, I get something bad. Like one day, it was Sunday, and yesterday I was sleeping like Saturday.
Yes.
I saw a dinosaur attacking me.
Oh God, it happens sometimes when you dream. Sometimes you see that there's somebody is attacking you. It might be a monster, it might be a dinosaur, it can be anything, and then you get scared. Fine. So
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
a word of imagination. So you feel that you like to read storybooks, Adrit, because it takes you to the world of imagination and makes you very creative.
Yes.
Is that right? And similarly, do you like to read storybooks, Shaili?
Yes, especially magazines.
Magazines. Which magazines do you like to read?
Every magazines.
Every magazine that is there at home.
I love to read the child's one, the adult one also. I can read every book which is given to me
So which means you like to read.
because it's very interesting and makes my brain sharp.
Exactly. So now we are getting to know that when a child is knowing so many things, is able to connect to the world, it's mostly because of reading.
Yes, and one day when I searched how Mahatma Gandhi died, I got to know that one day he was having a meeting and
Yes.
his niece showed him her watch and he understood he's late. He had to pray every
Yes.
evening. He prayed
Okay.
all the religions prayer.
Okay,
Then
very
when
good.
he went, Nathuram Godse came and
God save,
touched his feet and then shot him 3 bullets.
Yes. Oh, so you have read all about that, how Mahatma Gandhi, we lost him, Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember the day it had happened?
No,
The
I
date
don't
on
remember especially the date.
Yeah.
but I also do searches about my original state, which is West Bengal. One time, the thing that happened was
Yeah.
in Kolkata, Momita Devnath had a double shift, and I don't know how she died because of double
Who
shift.
had a double shift?
Momita Devnath, she was a doctor,
Okay, so you also like to do,
and she died in the
so
hospital
you like
only.
to go through the news as well.
No, not the news. When I see it in shorts or anything, I quickly
Okay.
do research about it.
Very great. So I'm really surprised and amazed that you like to get more and more
Even
knowledge
my family doesn't search about megalodon, but still I do.
of Megalodon.
Yeah, it's a big shark.
Yeah.
It extinct
You also know
3.6
about
million.
Megalodon, Adrit?
No,
No,
I
you
don't
did
know
not know?
nothing.
Okay, she'll tell you about Megalodon.
It had extinct 3.6 million years ago, but when I
Yes.
did it on YouTube research,
Yeah.
it said it was in the sea, very deep, and when in the sea there's one night zone.
Okay.
In that there it lives, and if you go in it, its teeth are very sharp. It could crunch your bones.
Okay, so you have to know all these details
And-
study.
And also, its size is about 2 school buses, and
Okay,
his teeth in size is equal to our hands.
fine. So that's really great that you are doing that deep research. Now let me ask a question from Adrit also. Let him also answer something. Adrit, do you participate? Do you like to participate in competitions in the school?
Yes, I like to participate in competitions in school, especially like Olympiads.
Okay, so these competitions, Olympiads, why do you like to participate in them?
I like to participate because they make me very energetic.
Okay, so you prepare for them?
Yes.
You do this preparation at home because these
Yes.
are competitions which you because it's all over the world. There are
Yes.
children who participate from all over the world. So when you get any kind of a award or a position, do you feel happy?
Yes, I feel really happy that I passed.
Okay, so that's really great because these competitions are not just within the school, they are international competitions. Do you like to participate in competition, Charlie?
Yes, ma'am. I especially love to take in Spellbee, as some people make a suitable name for me, which is Spellbee Queen.
Okay, so you are known as Spelby Queen. Oh, fine. So I am not surprised because you seem to have a very good vocabulary. So you are very particular about how things are
Yes,
spelled in
ma'am.
English.
If I get a hard word, my mom said just divide it into parts. Like,
Okay.
I don't know the spelling of animal. I divide it into parts. ANIMAL. Like this, and when I combine it, I practice it, so it makes me
You
say.
divide it, you combine it into phonic sounds. Yes. And
Yes,
then you,
ma'am.
that's
And
great.
also, that time when you asked, I love to dance and sing.
Hmm.
The thing is, I love to dance because whenever I dance in Durga Puja in my original state,
Yes.
near my house in Shantinagar, there's a mandir which we all go in Durga Puja, especially
And
that
you
time.
dance there.
Yeah, and I always get the first positions, and me and rest of my friends in Bengal get laddus as prize.
Okay, that's great. So you managed to get the first position. So you
Yeah.
like to dance. Do you like to sing also?
Yes, ma'am.
But you said actress. Now tell me what do you do specially to become maybe when you want to be an actress? What you do?
I especially dance to be very flexible, and when I dance, my hands get slimmer always.
Okay. So and also somebody mentioned classical music or something. No, nobody likes to listen to music. Do you like to
I
listen
like.
to music? You like music?
Yeah,
Let
I
Adrit
love.
speak first. Adrit, do you like to speak listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music a lot.
Okay. So how does it help you? The listening to music,
I don't know.
you feel happy?
Yes, I kind of feel like I'm doing something new.
Okay, so and do you listen to the lyrics of the whatever you listen to, what it means, or you just like the beats?
Beats.
Okay, so that is how children usually enjoy music.
And I especially love the lyrics. And sometimes when I sing, my grandma says, "You sing nice. You should practice it."
Okay, So don't you think you should do that next time? I think you should start this also. You might
Yes,
practice
ma'am.
also.
I practice one song which is my favorite, which is Bekhalia.
What song is that?
Bekhalia is one song which was sung by Arjit Singh or Kabir Singh. I don't know. It was saying what I didn't understand.
Okay, so you didn't understand the lyrics exactly, but
Lyrics,
you
no.
like the
person who sang that
sang
song.
the singer. So you're
Yeah.
not sure whether it was Arijit
Yeah, but
Singh.
when I sang in school, sometimes in music classes,
Everybody appreciated it.
appreciated it. But any song I sing, yeah. But when I was in the school in class 2, my one friend was there, Anshika. We both used to sing a Nadanya song which impressed everybody. They always said in the music class, Shelly and Anshika, please sing that song, please sing that
so you're
song.
able to impress. So which means
They
that you
have
are also a good singer.
Yeah.
No. Let me listen to me, Shaili. Now, if whenever in your class, if you do not understand something the teacher is teaching, what do you do? Do you say something, or what do you do or say when if you don't understand something?
Especially this is a tough question, but I would say that I would especially raise my hand and then I will ask the teacher.
Yeah.
The teacher will explain on the board to all the students.
Yeah.
And it doesn't mean that if I am asking, she will only teach me and to tell the rest of the students read the rest while I am teaching this student.
So that's great. You think that is good?
So she doesn't leaves anyone behind.
Okay.
All the teachers in the school makes us understand if we have a doubt.
Fine. So if you have a doubt, the first thing you do is that you raise your hand. So that is the bravest thing a student can do. The best
Yeah.
thing a student can do, is to ask questions. If they have a doubt, what should you do? The first thing is to ask a question. And that is
Yes,
how
ma'am.
your doubts get cleared. So that is the best thing that
And
you do.
after that, my teacher asks the question again if we understood or not.
Yeah.
If we do not say the answer, she explains it again. But if we give the answer, he gets
So
to
we
know
we have very good
understand.
teachers. That's great. So I am also very happy to know that the teachers are, handling you so well. Now, if I'll ask you one more question, is this: suppose this is for you, Adrit.
Yes.
Suppose there is, you are able to get a superpower.
Yeah.
Suppose so. Out of these two superpowers, which one will you choose? Suppose either it is you getting a memory like a computer, you will not forget anything. You will choose that, or will you choose the superpower to be able to fly? Out of the two, you can choose only one. Which one would you choose?
I will choose that I can think like a computer.
Okay. So why would that be? Can you also answer that?
Yeah, so I could read anything, I can write anything I want, I can create something new.
Okay. So you would like to create something
Yes.
new as well. Very good. And the same question goes to you, Shaili. Also, suppose there is out of these two, any superpower you could get, which one would that be?
I will take the flying one as I have a memory like a computer. I
Oh, God.
remember everything in my childhood and everything.
So you would take
Seriously.
the superpower of able to fly.
So if I want to go somewhere, I don't need to buy the ticket and waste my own weekly allowance my parent gives
Oh my God,
me.
your parents give you weekly allowance, and if you have to travel, would you use that? Anyway.
Literally they sometimes give me 2 rupees, 5 rupees or 50 rupees or 10 rupees.
That's great to know that they're giving you good habits right from the beginning. They are giving you some kind of allowance so that you learn how to save money, how to use
Yeah.
money. That's really great.
Yeah, and from that I've
You
made
save money also when you save something out of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you
Now
use
I
all?
have 1176 point rupees right now.
76, 1100 rupees and 76
Paise.
paise. So you have that. So you have counted it all right up
Yes,
to the last paisa.
But I don't waste my money.
Okay, now
I keep it so I could use in the future.
so that is why. So I really appreciate this because again, you are getting a very good habit of valuing what money can do and how much you should save is as well. Really.
Yeah,
Now one more thing I would like to ask. Now that is
Yes.
from Adrit. Adrit. Now that is some very normal question from you. What is the tastiest thing that you get in the lunch which makes you happy? Lunch box your mother packs for you, and what is the tastiest thing that you like?
I like everything, but the most thing I love is pasta.
Pasta is something
Yes.
that, and the day there is pasta in your lunch box, you feel very happy and excited.
Yes.
You wait for the break, the lunch
Yes.
break.
Yes.
Okay. So, and could you tell me also what is your favorite thing that you do in the break with you and your friends? What do you do in the break?
We share our lunch.
You share a lunch.
Yes.
Anything else that you like to do during
We
the
like
break?
to talk a lot too, but we talk a lot in class and talk at the lunchtime a little bit.
Okay, so because you're maybe that's a great, because that time you should focus on eating
Yes.
and not talk too much. It's bad manners to speak while you eat. So you do a talking when you finish your lunch. So
Yes.
basically, the next thing that you like to do in your break is to chat or
Yes.
talk to your friends. What do you like to do with your friends? Shiley?
Especially now Anshika, my retired best friend, she has shifted to Delhi
Okay.
because her father work is in Delhi. He's an engineer,
Okay.
and for her that was a very tough thing. Her father worked there, and she lived in Patna.
Okay.
So that they were separated. So that's why their parents thought of living in Delhi now.
Okay.
So she lives now there. So I made a new best friend. She had made a new best friend, which was Divyanka.
Okay.
So now I had made her my best friend.
So now you have many friends.
Yeah.
You have lots of friends, and mostly what do you like to do together? You talk.
Mostly I love to share lunch with her, gossip with her.
Okay.
And also during exams I love to discuss important questions with her, which makes
Okay.
me confident.
That's great. That's great. I'm so happy to have you both here today. And the conversation with you both was really energizing for me as well. I'm feeling so happy and excited to see that I have got such young geniuses here in the school. And I'm sure you have a brilliant future ahead, both of you. And it is for those who are watching, will be watching this, I would say that they should see that young ones, they should not, how great they are, we should not underestimate their power. You know, you people do have
Yes.
superpowers. When people look at you, they think they are very small children, they are so small. Now what would they know? But you know everything. There is nothing which you do not understand. So it was a really an eye opener for me, and I'm sure it is for everybody who will watch you people.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you so much for being here with me, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.